What's the best time of year to start your home renovation?
If you're living here on the North Shore of Nassau County, or really anywhere in the Northeast, and looking to start a home renovation, you're probably wondering, when's the best time to start this?
Today, we're talking all about the best times of year to start your home renovation project. Let's get into it.
Renovating your home is a big decision, and starting it at the right time is an even bigger decision. Let's walk through what each season offers and how to really mark your calendars down for when to start this home renovation.
Let's start with spring, the season of renewal. Spring is ideal for starting new projects thanks to the mild weather.
Especially here in Nassau County on Long Island, where the winters can be harsh. This is the perfect time of year for major indoor renovations like kitchen overhauls or bathroom updates. The moderate temperatures mean that you can open the windows for ventilation without worrying about that harsh cold or that intense heat.
And now, let's move into summer, where it's all about the outdoors. Long days and warm weather are perfect for outdoor projects. Think new construction, additions, roofing, siding, or even that deck you've always wanted.
But remember, summer is peak season for contractors, so make sure that you secure your spot early. And always consider the heat during the summer. Start those exterior parts of the project earlier in the day to avoid the intense heat. Next up, fall, our personal favorite.
Many homeowners in Nassau County prefer fall because the weather is still cooperative and it gives you an opportunity to prepare the home for winter.
It's a great time to focus on weatherization projects like insulating pipes, checking heating systems, or even window replacements. Plus, if you're planning a renovation that needs permits, the towns and villages are typically less busy at this time of the year rather than spring and summer months.
And last up, winter. While some think it's the off-season for renovations, it can actually be a hidden gem for indoor projects. It's an opportune time for contractors to be flexible with their scheduling. And with the mild winters we've had lately, exterior work is not out of the question.
Use this time for smaller indoor projects, such as painting or updating light fixtures or even a minor remodel of the home. Just be sure to check those holiday schedules because that can affect the timeline of your project. While each season has its perks, the best time of year really depends on your specific project, your personal schedule, and of course, the schedule and availability of your chosen contractor.
Planning's key, so consider all these tips when you're planning your next home renovation project.
Drop a comment below and share your renovation story or questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any more construction tips. See you next time.